Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we have a modification for my Jeep and I'm super excited. It's gonna completely change the look of the front end of the car. If you guys didn't see the last video, we did restore the headlights and that already completely made the front end look way better, way newer. But I think that this modification is just gonna help with that. And it's right here in this box. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so there it is. We're going to be changing out this white grille for a black one. I think it's going to look really great, especially with the way the headlights look after we restored them. I think it's just going to completely give the Jeep an updated look. And it's really simple, really easy to do. This grille I got on Amazon again. I think it was like $75, not too bad. I'll leave a link for it in the description below, but it's super easy to install. So you just have 6 of these little clips. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All you have to do is, I'm using a flathead screwdriver, and you just have to pop up the little tabs. Alright, now that we have these 6 clips removed, it should just, yep, super simple. You can see where it kind of clips in there at the bottom, and we should just be able to grab the new one, put it in place, and put the clips back in. Alright, so I'm just putting it into place, and it looks like it fits. I don't know guys, let's see. Alright guys, we got the clips back on and the hood closed. Right now, to me, it looks a little bit out of place. Looks like it maybe is incomplete, but it's not going to stay like this for long. We have other things planned that I feel like will complete it and make it look like, make the black grille look better with the vehicle. But yeah, right now it kind of doesn't fit with the car, but once I get these other things that I'm planning on, I think it'll look a lot better and it will make more sense as you guys see what else we have planned. So yeah, changing the grille on a Jeep. This one specifically is a 2006. I think it's the same all the way up to 2010. It's super simple, like I showed you, just 6 quick little clips that pop in and out, and it took me literally like 3 minutes. So it's super easy, super simple. This grille fit perfectly from Amazon. And like I said, I'll leave the link in the description below. So make sure you guys stay tuned so you can see the finished, like what else I have coming to finish the front end of the Jeep. But drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think is next or what you guys would like to see next. But yeah, make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.